So today, you can probably see this is a different video than what I normally do. This is one of the projects that I've been mentioning a few times. I'm ready to reveal it now. This room, which used to be like our kitten room, where when we had baby cats, they could play in here without consequence. But now that they've all grown up, this is my new Twitch room. Doesn't look like much yet, but I wanted to record the process and kind of give you some ideas if you're planning on making your own room in the future. And you can probably see I have two boxes here. I'm making two desks. You can probably see the whole process. I'm not really good at explaining stuff like this, especially when it comes to like building stuff. But so this is gonna be like my new Twitch gaming / streaming room. So excited. So without further ado, enjoy the video. One down, one to go. Now for the other desk. Hey Siri, turn on Twitch room lights. So this is my room, and I can't believe like how it turned out. It turned out way better than I thought. I mean, I had like a vision in my head, but I didn't imagine it'd be like this. But as far as the decorations go, I used all the lights here are hue lights except for my M sign. My M sign up there. If you don't know what that is, that represents like the B&W like M series. It's like B&W sport mode. The B&W would understand. My B&W people would understand. But my family gave me that because everyone knows I love B&Ws. And all my peripherals are all Razer because I wanted everything to do like the little light show. I have Siri to control everything. Hey Siri, turn on Twitch room lights.
Okay.
So yeah, I have Siri to control all my lighting, except for the M sign. The M sign is like a separate thing. I just got a Switch for my birthday. It's the Animal Crossing edition. And if you want to know like all the parts for my computer, I'm not a computer person. I just followed a lot of tutorials. And yeah, if you want to know the parts, I'll do my best to list them in the description down below. And if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Oh, and I have a little remnants of Halloween. I still have my Halloween tree up. Oh, Coconut! Coconut jumped on my lap. You never get to see Coconut because my YouTube room, they're not allowed in my YouTube room. This is my Twitch room, they're allowed in here. So yeah, obviously I didn't get everything in my video. I just basically filmed like my basic setup, like my chair and desk, as you probably saw. But as far as like decorations go, I just got like things in the mail and it was just me putting it on my desk. I got pretty much the full collection of Persona 5 pop figurines, and I was trying to get like a theme of black and white on my desk. It's mostly black, but I colored my speakers just to kind of match the theme of black and white. And my computer case is also white. And my mat's white, so I was trying to follow a theme. And then I did my best to like, I had like vinyl tape going on my monitors. And yeah, if you want to know like all the things that I use for my stream room, like my monitors and my mouse and etc., I'll put all that in the description below, and I will try to, the best of my ability, list all the parts that I used in my computer. I built the computer myself. I'm not by any means a computer person. I had to learn a lot to build that thing. And it wasn't too hard, but I had to do a lot of research to know what I was doing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will answer to the best of my ability. And I will be on Twitch now. I've loved Twitch for a very long time. Coco, you're just stealing the show. You're just taking over this whole video. You too, Mocha. Especially Mocha. Some people's cats hate being in front of the camera and they're very shy. Mine's complete opposite. My cat has to be involved in everything I'm doing, as you saw. Like, my cat was in all my clips. That's because I can't keep that cat away from me. Even if I lock her out of my room, in the background, you'll probably hear meow, meow, meow. So yeah, my cat just gets involved in everything I do, so that kind of just showed up in my video. But yeah, I'll be on Twitch now. I'll put And all my videos, I'll be putting all my social links down below, including Twitch. And I'm still working on a schedule, but I will be building up a schedule on when I'm going live. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I also announce when I'm going live on Instagram. If you liked this video and you found it helpful or entertaining, please hit that like button. And make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And make sure to follow me on Twitch now. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!